Music to your soul and the right vibe.
My hatred is a done them sound around ya. Whoa, 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 yeah. They can't afford them dog plates, right?
The same friend smiling in the morning, stab you in the back in the evening. The same friend smiling in the morning will stab you in the back in the evening. It's the same friend who's been telling you things about me. It's the same friend who's been carrying news on you. It's the same friend. She tells you I've been cheating. It's the same friend tells me everything you do. Did she tell you of our conversation? The many times that she invites me home. But oh no, just because I disagree would not fulfill her fantasy. She'd like to see you run away from me. It's the same friend who's been telling you things about me. It's the same friend who's been carrying news on you. It's the same friend tells you I've been cheating. It's the same friend tells me everything you do. How do you think she knows so much about me? How do you think she keeps in touch so well, so well? Very strange that she should be always there to spy on me. I'm sure it's not just her curiosity. The same friend smiling in the morning, stab you in the back in the evening. Yeah, the same friend smiling in the morning, stab you in the back in the evening. It's the same friend who's been telling you things about me. It's the same friend. She's been carrying news on you. It's the same friend. She tells you I've been cheating. It's the same friend. Tells me everything you do. Soon she'll be telling you that I'm not true, and you have to find yourself somebody new. And if you think I'm telling you a lie, you better get your private eye. Soon she'll be telling you that I'm not true, and that she has the perfect man for you. And if you think I'm telling you a lie, you had better get your private eye. 'Cause it's the same friend who's been telling you about me. It's the same friend. She's been carrying news on you. It's the same friend. She tells you that I'm cheating. It's the same friend. Tells me everything you do. The same friend smiling in the morning will stab you in the back in the evening. Yeah, the same friend smiling in the morning.